Hey there! Welcome to our channel where learning meets fun and where we bring all sorts of educational videos for children. Parents, kids, have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you eat junk food versus healthy food? Today, we're going to find out. In this corner, we have the champion of vitamins and energy, the mighty healthy hero. And in the other corner, the king of sugar and fun, the cheeky Junky Jack. It's time for the ultimate showdown. Let's meet our teams. Healthy Hero is packed with fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains, all ready to power your body and keep you strong. Junky Jack, well, he's got pizza, soda, chips, and candy. Tasty? Absolutely. But is it good for you? We'll see. They both have their strengths, but the real test starts inside your body. You are absolutely right, Billie Eilish. Let's start the race. Inside the body. When you take a bite of an apple, your body sends fiber to your tummy, vitamins to your immune system, and natural sugars for steady energy. But when you munch on candy, your body gets a big sugar rush, followed by a crash. Healthy foods flow smoothly through your system, while junk foods can slow things down and make your body work harder. And over time, that can cause trouble. Whoa! Your body is like a super high-tech recycling plant. Healthy foods get sorted into all sorts of important stuff. Fiber makes its way to your helpful gut bacteria. Vitamins and minerals become part of your bones and muscles. And natural sugars turn into energy you can use right away. When you eat junk food, it's mostly sugar and refined flour. Those don't break down into much. What your body doesn't need gets turned into waste. And before you know it, you need to go number 2. Eating tons of junk food puts extra strain on your kidneys and liver. They have to work overtime to clean up after all that sugar and salt. Over time, that could lead to some serious health issues. Energy Showdown. Our bodies are full of amazing energy factories. Healthy foods send in steady fuel, keeping the machines running all day. Junk foods? They give a big spark at first, but then the lights go dim. That is why you might feel super hyper after sweets, but then tired and cranky soon after. Okay, let's talk energy. Every single cell in your body needs power to do its thing. That's where mitochondria comes in. These tiny structures in every cell turn food into energy. Think of them like little power plants. When you eat healthy foods, your mitochondria gets a nice, steady supply of fuel. You're energized for hours without any crashes. But when you munch on junk food, especially lots of sugar, your mitochondria goes into overdrive. It produces tons of energy, but it's unstable and short-lived. So you get a quick burst of energy followed by a crash. Your cells end up exhausted, and you're left feeling tired and drained. Not good when you've got places to be and things to do. The effects on the body. Healthy foods keep your heart pumping strong, your brain full of bright ideas, and your muscles ready for action. Junk foods, on the other hand, can make your heart work harder, slow your thinking, and weaken your muscles over time. This is where things get really interesting. Your body changes food into energy, but it also uses that energy to do all kinds of stuff like think, move, and even grow. When you eat healthy foods, your body gets the nutrients it needs to build strong bones and muscles, heal cuts and scrapes, and even fight off illnesses. And here's the bonus. Healthy foods help your heart and blood vessels stay strong and flexible so that your body can deliver oxygen and nutrients to all the right places. Now let's talk about your brain. When you eat junk food, it's like feeding your brain toxic sludge. Sure, it might taste good at first, but it clogs up your arteries and makes your heart work harder. It even messes with your brain function, making it harder to concentrate, learn, and remember things. Plus, it weakens your muscles over time. So if you want to have the energy to crush your goals, you've got to fuel your body with the good stuff. Fun race. Here's the ultimate test. An obstacle course. Healthy Hero runs, jumps, and climbs with ease. He's got energy to spare. Junky Jack? Well, he's slowing down, tripping over hurdles, and losing steam fast. It's clear who's in better shape for the challenge. Are you ready for the grand showdown? Our contenders are lined up and ready to go. Healthy Hero is fit and fueled up, looking like he's about to win. And Junky Jack? Well, he might be feeling pretty confident, but his over-the-top eating has taken a toll. He's sluggish, out of shape, and struggling to make it through the course. As Healthy Hero zooms past, it's clear that balance and moderation are key. A little junk food now and then is fine, but it's important not to overdo it. Balanced choices. Now, here's the truth. You don't have to give up every treat. The secret is balance. Most of your meals should be filled with healthy foods, fruits, veggies, proteins, and whole grains. And sometimes a little treat is okay. Just not too much too often. And that wraps up our exciting showdown. Healthy Hero wins the day, but it's not because he's all about deprivation. He knows how to enjoy life's treats in moderation. After all, nobody's perfect. We all stumble sometimes, but the key is to get back on track with a balanced approach. It's not about being overly strict or giving up all your favorite foods. It's about making smart choices most of the time and enjoying treats occasionally. By doing this, you'll have the energy and strength to conquer any challenge that comes your way. Ending. So who's the winner? Well, it's not really a fight. It is about making the best choices for your health. Eat smart, stay active, and you'll feel amazing every single day. From Healthy Hero, Junky Jack, and all of us here. Remember, eat smart, stay strong. See you next time. Wow, what an exciting match that was. Healthy Hero showed us that it's not about completely avoiding treats, but rather keeping them in check. Now, before we wrap up, let's have a quick recap of the valuable lessons we've learned. No. 1, healthy foods are like the premium fuel for your body, providing steady energy that keeps you going strong all day long. On the other hand, junk food gives you a quick sugar rush followed by an energy crash, leaving you feeling sluggish and off your game. 2. Picture your body as a fantastic recycling plant. Healthy foods break down into essential nutrients that help you grow, heal, and protect yourself from illness. But when you consume tons of junk food, your body struggles to recycle it effectively, leading to potential health issues. 3. Think of your cells as tiny factories that need energy to do their work. Healthy foods provide a steady supply of energy to keep these factories humming along smoothly. But junk food, especially in excess, overwhelms your cells, disrupting their energy production and leaving them exhausted. And finally, remember that balance is the key to everything. You don't have to say no to treats, but keep them in check. Most of your meals should be made up of nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains. Save those extra calories for occasional treats. Hey there, we hope you had as much fun watching as we did creating. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked this adventure, and stay tuned for more exciting journeys into the incredible world of our bodies. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, you are the true hero of your own story.